Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger. Today I ain't even choose my video idea, so I posted on Instagram, what should I do today? Honestly, I ain't even have no plans to record. I ain't know what I was doing, so I was like, fuck it, let me post it. And Infinite Bliss, which is hopefully one of you guys out there, chose the video topic for today. Shout out to you for choosing this video. Today we got my recent sneaker rotation. This is just some heat that I've been wearing recently. I haven't been going out too much, but this is what I've been wearing when I go out. Yo, real quick, leave a like on this video if you enjoy sneaker or streetwear content. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Come on, bro, let's beat the algorithm. Let's reach 19,000 because we on road to 20K. We this close, bro. We're gonna get there ASAP. But with all that being said, let's get into this video. So for this list, I'm gonna go from my least worn to my most worn, and then we up out of here. My most worn sneaker right now is honestly the black cement 3s. I always gravitate towards this sneaker when I don't know what to wear. I'm gonna wear these shits right here, low key. Do I even have to talk about this sneaker right here? It's an iconic shoe. Honestly, I've beat my shits. Y'all probably won't be able to tell, but yes, I wear my shits and I love these. I feel like the black cement 3 is a great fall sneaker. It's mainly dark, so it's not gonna get that dirty, or at least look that dirty. In my opinion, I feel like it's just a clean sneaker you could wear with some cargos, some jeans, some sweats, anything. Especially in this color, bro, you cannot go wrong with these. I love these and the white cements. I still need some white cements, low key, but BC3s are my most worn sneaker right now. The second sneaker in my rotation is the Yeezy 500 Utility Black. So clean. I feel like I wear these all the time, literally. It's just a clean sneaker that you could wear with anything. Low key, I wore these shits at Disney and it was fucking pouring. I'm talking about like pouring, like my shits was drenched. It didn't even look great. Like these shits was wet for like 2 days. You feel me? These are still my troopers, bro. I love these right here. Just look at the back of my blushes, bro. I wear my 500s, probably my most worn Yeezy. With the 500s, I typically just like wearing some sweats, you feel me? Some track pants, something real subtle. Could wear these with jeans if I wanted to, but I just normally wear these down just on a more chill day. Like let's go to groceries real quick, run down to the mall real quick. Utility Black are the second sneaker in my rotation. These almost utility gray, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Third sneaker in my rotation is coming in hot with the Supreme CDG Air Force Ones. These came out a couple years ago at this point and they go hard. I feel like I went for these, if I'm not mistaken, and took a L. The live cop is somewhere, bro, if I did post it, but I love wearing these. I feel like they go hard with anything, bro. I literally had them on today. I just feel like it's a clean black Air Force One with white and it has a twist all around it, literally. I love everything on this sneaker. The materials on this aren't bad at all. It's just a really well executed shoe and I love wearing it. Honestly, the stars on the bottom of these shits is starting to wear out. I actually love these right here. Fourth sneaker on this list is the Flint 13s, bro. I wore these the other day, actually. I love Flint 13s. I love the wheats. I love the He Got Games. Come on, bro. We could keep going. The playoffs, bro. I'm not one of the people that just loves Jordan 1s and 4s, you feel me? Like, I love Jordans, period. These go so hard. I feel like this sneaker for the winter right here is all that you need. This bitch is almost like a boot and it's high, bro. I'm not gonna lie, this bitch is high. Look at that tongue. This shit gonna be rubbing on your tibia or your fibula, you feel me? I deadass just won the tibia and fibula shit, but I love the pot on the back. That's probably my favorite part. Flint 13s, you cannot go wrong with these. They've been getting worn. I don't wear them all the time. I don't try to tear them up. Some more than others, but this right here is definitely a clean shoe. I love wearing it with either cargos. You could wear these shits with jeans or sweats, bruh. Gray sweats with these, the typical fit, like, you feel me? But I feel like with jeans, these shits look clean too. You just gotta tuck the tongue. Do not leave the tongue out on these bitches. It'll look OD. That's just my opinion. Jordan 13 Flint was my fourth sneaker. Fifth, we got probably one of my favorite Jordan 1s in my collection, and it's the Obsidian Jordan 1s. When I first saw that these shits were releasing, I already knew what time it was, bro. I knew that these shits were gonna be hard. They got the sale right here. I don't know if you guys can notice it. Sale right there on the toe. Clean sneaker, and honestly, I wear these a lot. The materials on this Jordan 1 were beautiful, and it's probably top 5 Jordan 1 in my collection. This navy with the Carolina blue almost, beautiful, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I love wearing these a lot. I typically just wear these with either jeans or cargos. That's the type of vibe that I like bringing with the Jordan 1s. Let me know what y'all think about these. Honestly, one of my favorites. We got 2 more sneakers on this list. One of them being the Jordan 6 Varsity Reds. These aren't aren't the pair that released recently. This is the 2010 pair, if I'm not mistaken, with the deeper red right here. Honestly, I've worn these a couple times recently, and when I have, I realized that the inside is actually starting to crack the paint. That's the risk you run when wearing these old sneakers, so I gotta be careful when I wear these. I noticed that after like 2 to 3 times of wearing them. Honestly, I gotta be more careful when I wear these, and I gotta make sure I take a fit pic in these bitches before they go out on me. I like the fact that it's not cracking on the outside, it's cracking on the inside. We good on that, you feel me? As long as it looks good right here, we good. But yeah, Jordan 6 infrareds are already iconic, and the Varsity Red is probably one of my favorite iterations of that sneaker. I honestly wish they would bring these back because they go so hard, bro. The tone of red on these is just so beautiful. Jordan 6 Varsity Red was number 6 on my rotation. Now let's get into the last pair. Alright, so now we're getting into the last shoe. This last one is iconic. It's a sneaker that we hated at first, some people, and then everybody ended up loving it. And it's the Yeezy 700 Wave Runner. Come on, bro. You cannot go wrong with the Wave Runners. One of my favorite. I actually wore these a couple times recently. I've been trying to not wear them too much because I'm not trying to beat them, but this is a beautiful sneaker. I feel like you could wear this with so much because there's already so much going on. You got the banana laces, green, blue and orange, black, gray, bruh, you name it. I feel like it's a shoe that is gonna be timeless. It already is timeless, and it's the first of the 700, so you definitely gotta have these. Once in a while you gotta freak them. So that was the last sneaker on my rotation. Let me know what y'all wearing in the comments. What's your 3 sneakers that you wear the most right now? If you did end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Follow me on Instagram because I do have some content that I'm planning on posting on there. Hey, Nori Archives, I've been going hard on there. I'm telling you, bro, I'm going hard. Leave a like, subscribe. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.